Good morning/afternoon, everyone. I'm excited to dive into today's topic, aligning curriculum, assessment, and instruction for student success. We'll explore how creating coherent learning experiences begins with setting clear goals, using effective assessments, and applying intentional teaching strategies. Together, we'll uncover ways to bring these elements into harmony to truly support our students' growth and achievement. Let's get started. When we talk about alignment in education, we're referring to the connection between curriculum, assessment, and instructional strategies. This alignment is crucial because it creates a coherent learning experience for students. Think of it as a clear roadmap that shows exactly what students need to learn, how we will assess that learning, and the methods we'll use to help them grow. When everything is aligned, it reduces confusion for both teachers and students, promotes consistency in how we teach and learn, and most importantly, it boosts student success. By focusing all efforts on shared goals, we make sure everyone is moving in the same direction. When setting clear learning goals, it all begins with defining explicit learning objectives. These objectives act as a roadmap, guiding how we plan our lessons and make sure everything aligns with the curriculum. Next, using a standards-based curriculum development approach is crucial because it keeps our teaching focused on meeting established educational benchmarks, ensuring consistency and quality across the board. One effective strategy here is the backward design method, where we start by identifying the desired learning outcomes first, and then we plan our curriculum and instruction to reach those goals. This method really helps clarify expectations and make sure that every part of our teaching supports clear and measurable goals, leading to better student outcomes. When we talk about measuring what matters in education, assessment alignment is key. This means designing both formative and summative assessments that truly reflect the curriculum objectives. So what we assess matches what we aim to teach. Formative assessments play a critical role by providing ongoing feedback throughout the learning process. They help teachers identify when students need extra support or when adjustments in instruction are necessary. On the other hand, summative assessments come at the end of an instructional period and evaluate how well students have mastered the content. Having assessments that are well aligned ensures that we're focusing on measuring meaningful skills and knowledge, rather than just surface level facts. Ultimately, assessments are not just about grading. They guide our instructional decisions and help us support student learning in the most effective way possible. When we talk about teaching to the objective, the first thing to keep in mind is intentional alignment. This means our instructional strategies need to be closely connected to the curriculum goals and the results we get from assessments. It ensures that what we're teaching is purposeful and directed toward clear learning outcomes. Next is differentiated instruction, which is all about recognizing that students have diverse needs. By tailoring the content, the process, and the products, we can better support each learner's unique path. Active learning is another key component. It involves engaging students actively, encouraging participation and collaboration, which helps deepen their understanding. Timely feedback is crucial as well. It allows students to see where they stand, identify what they're doing well, and understand where they need to improve. Together, these strategies maximize teaching effectiveness by making sure our instruction not only supports the intended outcomes, but also adapts based on ongoing assessment data. This comprehensive approach keeps our teaching focused, responsive, and impactful. When we bring curriculum, assessment, and instruction together, we create a learning environment that's truly cohesive. This integration isn't just about aligning tasks. It actively engages students and boosts their achievement. Because teaching activities are designed with clear purpose, every lesson connects directly to learning goals. Assessments then give us meaningful data that helps us understand how students are progressing. When all these elements work in harmony, students benefit from consistent support that not only reinforces what they learn, but also encourages them to participate actively and develop a deeper understanding of the material. This is what effective, connected teaching looks like in action. When it comes to alignment, there are some common challenges we often face. These include limited time for planning, not having enough resources, and difficulties in collaboration among educators. To tackle these issues, it's important to intentionally schedule regular team planning sessions, ensuring everyone has dedicated time to align effectively. Equally important is investing in professional development and quality instructional materials, which provide the support teachers need to succeed. Building a strong culture of open communication and shared responsibility can also make a big difference by enhancing collaboration across the board. Finally, using clear frameworks and practical tools helps streamline the whole alignment process, making it easier to maintain consistency and improve both teaching and assessment. When curriculum, assessment, and instruction are well aligned, we see some powerful benefits for students and educators alike. First, this alignment drives higher student engagement because learners are more connected to what they are studying. It also leads to improved academic achievement since everything students encounter is purposeful and supports their learning goals. Another important benefit is better retention rates, meaning students are more likely to stay in school and continue progressing. Clear expectations play a crucial role as well. Students know what is expected of them and receive instruction tailored to their needs. Teachers also experience more coherent teaching practices, which makes it easier to deliver effective lessons. Finally, schools with strong alignment have an enhanced ability to monitor student progress and provide timely support, ensuring that learners stay on track over time. All these advantages together create a more effective and supportive educational environment. When we think about what really drives student success, the first thing to keep in mind is the alignment between curriculum, assessment, and instruction. When these three elements work together seamlessly, it creates a strong foundation for continuous improvement. Next, having clear learning goals is essential. They serve as a roadmap for both planning and teaching, ensuring that everyone knows the target we're aiming for. Assessments play a crucial role, too, not just as a way to measure progress, but as a source of meaningful data that helps tailor instruction to students' needs. Alongside that, using effective instructional strategies is key to keeping students engaged and helping them master the material. Finally, collaboration among educators, combined with evidence-based approaches, reinforces this alignment and helps build consistent, supportive learning environments. When we put all these pieces together, we create the best possible conditions for maximizing student achievement.